Look at the blend. Look how seamless. You can't. Hello dolls, it is she and welcome back to my channel. First of all, who am I doing a hair tutorial? It has been what, over a year since before I was pregnant since I uploaded a hair tutorial here on my channel. But guess what? Your girl is back and I am back to my roots, honey. So we really started out this channel doing reviews on clip-in extensions. And baby, I have some affordable clip-in. Check out the material. Check out the material. These are $29.99 from my local beauty supply store. I mean, I just had to get in front of the camera and record this for you guys because, spoiler alert, I absolutely love them. So I am back and I just want to do a really quick and dirty hair tutorial for you guys. I really hope you guys still are sticking with me, rocking with me, enjoying my lifestyle content. Now that your girl is a new mom, and I know a lot of my new subscribers have come from all of my pregnancy upload videos. I am just loving the community that you guys are creating in the content on those videos. But it's not what we're here for. We're here for this install. So I'm not going to ramble too much. I want to get right into it. And then we're going to talk about the deets and the specifics on the hair a little bit later. So let's jump right into the tutorial. All right, dolls, we are starting out with freshly washed hair. I do not have any product in my hair. Check out growth, honey. And I did do a little quick ombre to my hair. Now the product that I'm using, I am using the Chi, I think it's the Iron Guard 44 heat protectant spray, and I'm just spraying that all throughout my hair, pretty generous amount. And then I'm also going to be using the Chi, I think it's Silk Fusion Serum. I can't remember. Everything will be in the description box. And I am separating my hair into quadrants, so just these 4 little sections. And then I do about a dime size amount of the Chi Silk Serum in each section. So yeah, you just want to section your hair out. I find it easier to blow dry this way. And this is going to be, guys, a quick and dirty, like I said in the intro, kind of blowout, nothing special. I'm not trying to get my hair super sleek. I'm just trying to get some of the texture out. So there is no technique. So if you just want to watch just to watch. Oh, and by the way, I have this terrible pimple. You know, of course, when I want to sit down and record, pimple just pop up. But yeah, so if you want like a really nice press, this is not the tutorial for you. This is just me showing you guys how I got my hair from its natural state into like a kind of blowout look. I have my blow dryer on the medium heat setting. I didn't want to put too much heat on the hair, so it does take longer for my hair to blow dry this way, and it does have a little more texture, it's a little more poofy, but less heat. I'm trying to minimize the damage, especially with the color that I have on my hair. So just take your time with this. If you don't mind the heat, just go ahead and put it on full blast, honey, and it'll go ahead and straighten it a little bit faster for you. But use medium setting. Took my dimming brush and then just kind of ran that through until the section was dry. So this is what that one section looked like after it is completely dry. Check the length, check the growth, and this is the entire hair blown out. Just kind of vibing out a little bit. It is a little bit dry, but I don't like to put a lot of oil on my hair once I do flat iron it, because I feel like that fries the hair. So whenever I do any sort of heated style, I try not to put too much oil. I don't know why, I feel like it just cooks the hair, and I don't like that. So when I'm doing when I'm straightening out my hair, I just put it into 2 sections. I find this is the easiest to kind of go from bottom to top on each section. And y'all, look at my edges. Let's talk about postpartum hair loss. My edges are non-existent. They are completely gone. You know what? I'm trying to stay in good spirits about it. If you have experienced postpartum hair loss, y'all please let me know what y'all are doing in the comment section. Your girl is 4 months post, and these edges, they are gone. It's weird because my hair is growing while simultaneously falling out. Like, it's the strangest journey. But these edges did not stand a chance. So y'all don't talk about me. Y'all don't drag me too much. I'm living with it. I'm praying about it. We're moving on. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling and running my mouth, and I will have time steps in the bottom if you do want to skip this portion, just get straight to the install. All that will be in the description box. So let's just journey through this whole straightening process, and then I'll be back with the details on the actual clip-ins.
One thing that I want to know is while I was straightening out my hair at my roots, I was not pressing out my roots really straight. I wanted to leave some texture in the roots because I find that it gives the clip-in something to grip onto, and there's less tension on your hair. So leave your roots with a little bit of texture, a little bit thicker than you normally would, so that the clip-ins really have something to grab onto. Because I find when my hair is too straight at the root, the clip-ins, they kind of slide and they tug a little bit because they don't have anything to really grip onto. So again, I didn't straighten my hair out super sleek, and I have my flat iron on a lower setting, just because I wanted to leave the texture in the hair, and also I left more texture at my root so that the clip-ins have something to hang on to.
All right, so our hair is straight for the most part. Check the length. I colored this myself during the pandemic when I was pregnant, so if it look a little, y'all don't come for me. It's doing what I needed to do for now. I wanted a little ombre stitch for the fall, and that's exactly what we got, honey. If y'all want any tutorial, I hope not, on how I got this color, y'all just let me know. I'll just let you know what products I use, and I'll probably just put the products in the description box because it was a super simple process, and I haven't experienced much damage on my hair since coloring it. So y'all let me know what y'all want. But for today, so let's talk about these clip-ins. These are Bobbi Boss clip-ins, Miss Origin Designer Mix clip-on 7-piece snap cone extension clip-in set. Natural and effortless, instant daily style change, premium synthetic. It is the Kinky Premium. It's 20 inches. And it was $29.99, and I got it in the color TT1B 30, and hopefully it matches my hair pretty good, and it looks like it is. My hair might be slightly brighter, but I think that it'll blend pretty well. So I'm excited. Hey, I ain't no clip-ins in a while, and let's talk about postpartum hair loss. Cause baby, what edges? Huh? This side isn't as bad, but so we have been trying to do as little manipulation to the edges as possible. I've been trying to hold off on the braids and the twists and I'm just trying to, I'm just trying to grow them back. And it's weird because it's like the rest of my hair seems to be getting thicker, but my edges, they're non-existent. Postpartum hair loss is a real thing. If you're going through it, sis, just keep your head up. I'm putting some castor oil on it, some Jamaican black castor oil, and we just gonna pray about it. We're just gonna pray about it. We're not gonna get depressed. We're just gonna pray about it. So let's see this clip-in set. I'm kind of excited. It's synthetic, so I probably can't put heat on it, so I'm hoping that it's not too kinky. I'm hoping that it's pretty kinky, guys. But it's soft. It's really soft, but it is a little more voluminous than I was expecting. So I may have straightened my hair a little bit too much. Usually, if I want my hair like super, I'm talking super silk press, super sleek, I usually put my flat iron like 455, which is the max. Now, if I want a little bit more texture in my hair, then obviously I bring the heat down. So I did the heat on 425 because I didn't want it too sleek, but I did want it pretty straight. But I probably should have did about 400 because it seems like it has a little more texture than what my hair has. I mean, we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I'm hoping that it's just not a puffy mess. And it's really thick. Like, I feel like I'm definitely not going to use all 7 pieces of this hair because it seems like it's really thick. So let's see. Of the 7 pieces, you get 1, 2, 3.5 inch wefts with 2 clips. You have 1 4.5 inch weft with 2 clips. You have 1 6.5 inch weft with 3 clips. You have 1 7.5 inch weft with 1, 2, 3 clips, and then you have 1 9.5 inch weft with 4 clips. So I do think that this is going to be enough to do a generous full head, and like I said, I don't think I'm going to need the entire pack. So yeah, girl, I mean, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and snap these in, and then I'll be back and let you guys know kind of my thoughts. And yeah, so y'all enjoy and you're gonna be right back.
So let's get right into the installation. I did not do these super neat. I just honestly threw these in there. It takes you all of 5 minutes. But I did want to section it out. Now, you do not have to put these clip-ins in between your hair and straighten out all of your hair. You can braid your hair down or do some flat twists and then just clip the clip-ins on top and only straighten your leave out to minimize any sort of heat on your hair. I did want to do my full head and then just kind of install it in between, but you do not have to do this method. Now, the clips on these clip-ins, they are very sturdy, they are very secure, they are on there good, and they are easy to snap and easy to install. That's the one thing that I like the most about these clip-ins. Some clip-ins, they're really hard to get in and really hard to snap, and they feel heavy. These clip-ins feel extremely light, like so light. I barely felt like I had anything in my hair, even with 20 inches, and as full as the hair appeared, the hair on the actual clip-ins and on the actual track was extremely light and buoyant, and the clips were very, very strong and very secure.
So we are back, and honey, this is the final product. I love it. I love it. Look at the blend. Look how seamless. You can't tell where my hair stops and where the extensions start. I mean, if I pull, this is my hair on top. Look how seamless that blend is. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the hair, it ended up not being too puffy at all. I absolutely love the texture. I love that it's not super, super sleek or bone straight. I love that it gives it a little, and I flat iron my hair perfect as far as the texture goes. It's, again, nothing's too sleek, nothing's too straight. Everything got a little bit of texture. The movement on this hair is gorgeous. Now, it did have a little bit of tangles, but not a lot. As you can see, I can easily run my fingers through it, and it does not have a problem. Once I kind of just ran my brush through it, then it just kind of gathered everything together and snatched everything right on up. You didn't really get any snacks. And for 30 bucks, if I was not filming this, I could probably could have got this whole hairdo from fresh wash to install in like 30 minutes. It'll take me any time to dry my hair and to straighten it, just because I have thinner hair. I don't have like really thick hair, so it doesn't take that long for my hair to dry or for it to straighten. So, and to clip the clip-ins in, it literally took all of 5 minutes. And I did end up using all of the clip-ins. So this is all 7 pieces. I thought that it was going to be too much hair, and it is a lot of hair. So if you don't want it to look this full, then definitely don't use all 7 pieces. You can definitely get away with maybe like 5. But I did go ahead and just throw all 7 pieces in there just to see what it looks like. And honey, I love her. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Such a quick, easy, simple hairdo if you just want to go from kind of, yeah, you know, a little bland, little blowout, whatever, to, you know, she's giving, honey. So let me show you what the length is. I am 5'2", and this is where it comes on me. I'm going to also turn around in the back in a second for you guys to see the back. This is what the back looks like. She's cute. I can't stop touching it because I love it. I love it. So 10 out of 10, she would definitely recommend. Now, I wouldn't put any heat on this hair. It is synthetic. It's a premium synthetic, but again, you probably could put like really low heat. I'm talking low, but I'm not even going to chance it. I'm not going to put any heat on it. I'm not going to sleep in these. I want to take them out every night just so they don't get extra frizzy or extra tangly, because it's not human hair. And then I probably wouldn't wash it. I don't feel like it'll do well with water. Maybe it will. I don't know. I'm definitely not going to wash these for a while. I'm going to get my wear out of them. And then as I feel like they're getting a little bit old, then I'll probably wash them and see how they take to water. And if you guys want me to give you an update on that, please let me know. But again, this is only 30 bucks. So this is a $30 hairdo, period. All you need is a flat iron, and that's it. Just blow your hair out. It ain't even gotta be bone straight. It don't even gotta be perfect. It ain't gotta be the perfect silk precious, enough to get some texture out of it. Leave a little bit of texture in and throw these in, and honey, you have a whole hairdo. So guys, this is so much fun. I have not done a hair tutorial in so long that this feels really good to just kind of get back in camera and just do a little bit of hair. And honey, I've been in mommy mode, so your girl has been looking busted. My baby didn't even recognize me. My baby was like, who is this intruder in our home, and why is she all in my face? Because who was this with makeup and hair? Because honey, I ain't been doing nothing. I've been looking straight up busted, rocking the bun, and that's about it. So girl, I might step out. I might do a little something, a little day with myself. I don't know, but yeah, I'm feeling it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I mean, look at it. I mean, it's not too shiny. The texture, the color, everything is just perfect in the price, guys. So yeah, that is it, dolls. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Jump in the comment section. Let me know what y'all want to see from me. I mean, I feel like the world is changing so much and everything is kind of moving towards lifestyle. But do you guys still enjoy hair content here on YouTube? Y'all let me know, because I'm trying to do a little bit of both. A little bit of hair, a little bit of makeup, a little bit of lifestyle. Well, a lot of bit of lifestyle. So y'all just let me know what y'all like. Yeah, and that'll be it, dolls. I will see you in my next video.